This is Alard item 4113. It is a Key Iso-Flo shaker. It's a 4-foot long bed. The replaceable screen part is 3 feet, and it's about with the sides. It is 34 inches wide. We are going to do a little grading on this. Obviously, the screens are replaceable. The screens we have in it are, I believe, 1 1/8. We have some frozen ice cream balls that we are going to put across this that are we're going to kind of grade off. Here's what we're going to run across.
We're hoping to break these apart.
I don't know if you're gonna break that one. These you will, I think. I don't know about that.
And most of these are too big to go through the holes.
Yep.
But hopefully if there's any fines, they're gonna drop through.
Okay, let's give it a shot. So I didn't see any fines really go through the bottom,
There's some here.
well, oh, okay.
The ones
You know,
in the
there's some
back part are.
powder and things like that.
But yeah, and there are kind of a lot of that size stuff. Oh, well, here's stuff that didn't. So those went out the bottom.
Okay.
I think some of those larger ones,
Got the little guys there. Okay.
some of the larger ones might have bounced back, and then
Point I was trying to get to though is that these are the screens we have. If you want to dial it in to be more fussy or whatever, you can change out the screens with a different perforation size.
I'm just for them. I'm checking.
Yeah, there are some, and boy, those are really frozen together.
Yeah.
Some do break apart.
Let's see. You see one that looks like it disengaged.
Mostly look like solid ones to each other.
Yeah.
I haven't found
Where
one.
was the one? Did you see one you thought broke?
Yeah, it was this one, but I can't find the other piece of it.
Oh, just throw it up there.
Oh, let me see.
Maybe it's right here.
Let me see. It's mango. Pretty good.
Split.
You might do well to set this with a large enough perf to let the ones that aren't doubles go through.
Look at that triple.
Hey. So I didn't see any fines really go through the bottom,
There's some here.
well, oh, okay.
The ones
You know,
that are in the
there's some
back part are.
powder and things like that.
But yeah, and there are cars that don't come out of that size stuff. Oh, well, here's stuff that didn't. So those went out the bottom.
Okay.
I think some of those larger ones,
Got the little guys here. Okay.
some of the larger ones might have bounced back, and then
Point I was trying to get to though is that, you know, these are the screens we have. If you want to dial it in to be more fussy or whatever, you can change out the screens with a different perforation size. So as I mentioned, these screens can be changed out with different sizes. If you have any questions about the screens or the availability of other screens or what this is good for and what it's not good for, give us a call at 315-589-4511 and we'll talk about your particular food processing, screening, and size grading application. There it is. Key Iso-Flo vibrating shaker grader, Alard item Y4113, which is, as you can see, in stock in excellent operational, mechanical, cosmetic, and electrical condition. Here at Alard Equipment Company, available for immediate shipment from Williamson, New York.